Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and we are back with another video. If you are new here, welcome to this channel. Make sure you subscribe down below so you don't miss a beat. Alright guys, so I already did my brows and we're just gonna do a get ready with me. Not get ready with me, but just makeup, and then this video is all about the hair. Okay, so I'll give you details about the hair, but first we're gonna get into this makeup. We can try this new sample and this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. Times like this, when you guys are like stuck in the house, it's like perfect times to try out new products or samples that you might have just like sitting around that you get and never use. You know what? I'm gonna try the little TikTok hack thing. It's really not a hack. People have been doing this forever, where you put the powder down first before you do like your foundation. On TikTok, they're saying you're supposed to moisturize, then put the powder down, and then put your primer on. I don't think I'm trying that today. This is the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. This is their new shade, which is called Honeymoon, and I'll show y'all. It's nice and cocoa. I'm just gonna take a little sponge and press that in to the face. So we got some coverage. This might be something you could do if you're going for an all natural look and you want the, you know, scars and dark spots to peek through, but you want to look a little bit more flesh tone. Okay. If y'all want me to try to figure out a routine that is something simple like that, where you could just get up, pat, and go, I'm here to try it. We're gonna go with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Chai. This is one of the shades that Jackie Aina created with Too Faced, and we're gonna pump this on the back of our hand so we don't have too much product on the skin. I just did 2 pumps, even though that is, it's a little bit, you know what I'm saying, but we're gonna dab in it and then we're gonna put it on the skin. If anyone is interested in knowing about this brush, this is the NYX Professional Makeup number 3 brush. This is one of the brushes that Jackie Aina talks about all the time on her channel. I believe this is the same one, and she uses this to apply her foundation. So far, I like it. I don't have any complaints about it. I like how it buffs the foundation into my skin. And so I am gonna go ahead and take this scarf off so we can get up around this hairline. Y'all don't judge. Wiggy shit is gonna come together momentarily. So I'm liking this. I'm gonna go in with my sponge just a little bit, because y'all know how I do. One thing I have yet to do is clean up the brows. I found this concealer, the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in Deep Chestnut. And they also have a hydrating one, but the shade I got in the hydrating one is way too light. I got medium beige. I don't know what I was thinking, but we're gonna go in with the Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I like it because it has a huge doe foot applicator, and I'm just gonna carve out my brows. If you've watched any of my makeup tutorials, like my current makeup routine or anything like that, all these brushes and things are listed under those videos, so feel free to check those out. I'm gonna use this one first, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Ooh, I'm loving that. I'm gonna take this IT Cosmetics brush. It's the Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush. First, I'm gonna do this nose. Every now and then you gotta switch it up. I usually use sponges for under the eye, which I might go in and touch up with, but sometimes, you know, brushes do just as good, even better. Cause you gotta remember, back before the beauty blender age, we used to use brushes. That was also before the highlight and contour age, but I haven't used my Fenty setting powder in a while, so I think I'm gonna take that today and set our under eyes. This is in the shade Honey, so it's gonna give us a little bit more of that yellow. And I'm dabbing the excess on the back of my hand, so it's not like not going too hard with the setting powder. Y'all, this quarantine is spoiling me because filming in daylight, like, this gets me excited for when I finally go full-time on YouTube, or full-time influencing, I guess. I'm excited because I feel like the daytime is like the best time of day. And nature is just so beautiful. Like, y'all ever just sit and look outside, or sit outside and just look at nature? And it's crazy, the stuff Jesus or God created, you know what I'm saying? In other news, I just got on TikTok, so if you didn't know, now you know. Follow me on TikTok, baby. I'm hoping I get to show you guys a little bit more of my goofy side, because I think I'm actually pretty funny. Like, I'm not funny, so I try to be funny, which turns out that I'm kind of funny. That's my personal opinion. But I've had people tell me that I'm funny. I'm not going to do too much, though, because we got to get into this hair, okay? This hair is from ISEE. I'm going to show y'all all the details, but I just had to give y'all a little sneak peek of the name of the hair so y'all know. This is their Magnolian, is that right? This is the ISEE Young hair, you know what I'm saying? Magnolia hair. It's a whole wig, honey. I ain't had to do no work. 180% density. This is a 13 by 6 wig. So you have the lace all the way across the front, and you have it in like the crown of your head. And this is the water wave, but I blow dried it, and we did some wand curls in it. But we gonna get into that later. Right now, we gonna finish the makeup. Before I finish up the face, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do some stuff with the eyes. I think we should use some throwbacks. So I have some ColourPop. This is when ColourPop pressed shadows first came out, I think we're gonna use these today. So the shade I'm going to use is Paper Tiger. It looks like this. We're gonna use that in the crease of our eye. Hopefully it shows up. I don't think y'all can even see it. I can't really even see it. Y'all see it right there? Yeah, okay. One reason why I like doing neutral looks is because they just go with everything. No matter what outfit you decide you're gonna put on, no matter like how you gonna style your hair, whatever, like, it's gonna match. This is called IOU, and I'm not sure how good this is gonna show up on my skin, but we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna try to put that a little bit lower. This one is called, one of my favorite phrases of all time. This is called Top Notch. So we're gonna use this, and I'm gonna put this on the lid. Again, using the same brush because I'm gonna kind of feather it out. Okay, so that's the eyes for right now. We're gonna pause on the eyes and we're gonna finish up the face. For bronzer, I'm gonna use my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in this shade Sculpt. So this middle shade right here. Y'all, this is my first time wearing a wig in so long. Like, it's been a minute. and I miss them. Wigs are so like fire when you don't want to do nothing to your hair and you just want to look fire without having to put in extra work. Get you a wig, sis. I am gonna go in with the Black Radiance Bronze Glow. This is one of their pressed powders, and this just warms up my face, and I like the shade. It's like not too much, but it's just enough. Y'all, if y'all watch my recent YouTube video, I've been talking about how there's been a bee outside of my window, and it's back. Like, I really think the government is trying to get in on this content. They're spying on me. I keep looking in the viewfinder too, because that's where the bee is, like right behind the viewfinder. Okay, so from here, we're nice and warm. I like it. I'm digging it. Now I'm gonna put on my blush, and I know we did not dust away the under eye or that excess powder, but we're just gonna do that at the end after we apply the blush, because we're just gonna blend it all together with the Sephora Micro Smooth, which I always do. So this is the Black Radiance blush. This is their Artisan Color Baked Blush in Toasted Almond. I am gonna do of my, let's see, we'll do a little bit of the Sasha. You can use the Fenty just to chisel that just a little bit like we did before, but since we put the bronzer on, we want to snatch that all the way in. I use this little pencil, and it's like a sculpting pencil, and just like lay down my brow hairs. Makes my brows like go to a whole nother level. First, I'm gonna use my foundation brush and dust off the bottom, so it's not like too harsh. And then I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder and just kind of blend the whole face together and getting off any excess powder that we may have left over on the face. I feel like this lash might be for the other eye, because it's so long right here, but that's okay. Oh, it is for the other lash. I'm so slow. Oh well, they're just gonna be inside out today. Okay, so because I have the lash glue going all the way into the inner tear duct, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. liner. This is just a black liquid liner from e.l.f. and make sure this side is matching. So I am gonna do some lower lash mascara, and for this I'm gonna use my Big T's mascara from Buxom. That looks good. Okay, I'm gonna take a risk and do a little lower lash white. Yes sir. And now, before we do lips, we're gonna spray the face. I'm gonna use some of the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray first. And I'm gonna mix the Milani Make It Dewy, because we want a little dew. So we're looking nice. Now, for our highlighter, we're gonna use Champagne Pop from Becca, because I have not used this in a long time. So this is what we're gonna use. Now, right now my lips are dry and crusty, so we need to moisten it up. So I have a ColourPop lip liner in BFF3. Okay, so that's what lip liner I have on. And then I think I'm gonna use one of my Sephora Lip Stories. I'm gonna use Brunch Date first, which is like a creamy, pinky, nudish satin, kind of what we got going on the lips. And then I also want to make it glossy, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. And usually when I put a color on first, I just put it on my finger to put it on my lips so I don't mess up the doe foot. Another lip liner, I love my Cupid's bow to be defined. So this is the Kylie and True Brown K. Kylie Lip Kit lip liner in True Brown K. And I'm focusing this right on my Cupid's bow. So this is what the makeup looks like up close, and now let's get into this hair. So I went ahead and changed shirts and zoomed out so you guys can see the full voluptuousness of this hair. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna go ahead and go over the specs of this hair, and I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. This is the ISEE Young hair. This is their Mongolian hair, and this wig is a 13 by 6 inch wig. So the lace goes from ear to ear, and then it goes about 6 inches back, and the entire crown of the head is lace, and then there's tracks at the back. And this wig is 180% density, and the length is 26 inches. So the length of this goes way almost to my rear end, and the hair texture is water wave. So I wanted to just kind of give an overall review about the hair. This is my first time installing the hair. I bleached the knots and everything like that. When I bleached the knots, I did bleach a little bit long. So when I began plucking the frontal and everything like that, I did have a bit of shedding, and through the styling process, I did have some shedding going on. But that very well could have been because I bleached the knots a little long. But other than that, the hair has been really soft to the touch. It's bouncy, it flows. The reason why I style the hair like this because when I get water wave hair, I just feel like it's thicker than your usual hair. And so that's why I was super excited to blow dry it out, which gave me this thickness, and then I just wand curled the hair off camera. And so yeah, this is what the hair looks like. If y'all have any questions, let me know. If y'all want to see me, style it up or something, I don't know, we can always do, the clips that are trending. You can put in your side clips, which is very cute of a hairstyle. You can even do it on this side too, and clip your hair down. She's a whole look. You could do 2 pigtails like this. There's just so many options. But yeah, I wanted to get on here and share with you guys this wig because it's the star of the show, baby. And yeah, if y'all know where that's from, y'all let me know. That's my homie. So yeah, that's all I have for this video, guys. I hope y'all are enjoying this makeup and hair look, this whole transformation dealio. Make sure y'all check out ISEE Young Hair. I'll link it in the description box below. If y'all have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments as well. And I love y'all so much. If you've watched thus far and you have not joined the Gym Squad and you're thinking, what is the Gym Squad and how do I join? The Gym Squad is a community of people striving to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe and join the Gym Squad. Make sure you also give this video a huge thumbs up, like this video, to let me know y'all want to see more hair reviews, things like that. And that's all I have for you guys. So never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.